Hi everyone, for today's video I'm going to do an unboxing and review of the Mereced Reciprocating saw. This is a cordless saw with a 220-volt battery that came with it, and I saw this in Amazon. Original price is $69, but they currently have it on sale, so it's $39 and you have a 5% coupon, so about $37 for a cordless reciprocating saw. So let me open it up and let's take a look at it. So when you receive the package, it's sealed, so you know that it's not returned, so that's a good sign. So go ahead and open it. Okay, so let's see what's inside. It comes with a nice sturdy case. This is a plastic case, so over time this is gonna give up, but I'm not gonna be using it much, so for me this should be okay. It should last me years. This will probably give up first before the case. Okay, so this is what you get from the package. So you get the manual, you get a charger. Oh, this is very light. Feels cheap, but let's see how it performs. Then you have the reciprocating saw here, the motor, and then it comes with two batteries. So you have one battery right here, and it says here it's a lithium-ion battery, 20 volt. This is a 2.0 amp hour. So you got two lithium-ion battery with a 20 volt. So let's go put in the battery. I would assume this is just going to be a slide. So let me go ahead. Okay, and push it. There you go. And to take it out, let me go push this thing. And just push it right here. Okay, so let's go press it. And it looks like when you hold this, now you have the thing. And then here you see three lights, green, yellow, and red. So I'm not sure what that means yet. I haven't read the manual yet, but sounds pretty powerful. There's no charging dock. So let's see this battery right here. Oh, so you plug the charger into the battery directly. So it's over here. So I'm not sure if you'll be able to buy an extra battery for this. Hopefully they do have an extra battery just in case, but right now you already have two. And I'm not sure how to check if the battery is actually fully charged. So let's talk more about this. So this thing, you're gonna get this motor that have a 7/8 stroke length, and it also have a 0 to 2,800 strokes per minute. So it can cut metal, wood, PVC, and it also have an LED light right here. So when you press it, see the LED light. And also I want to mention that it's using a brush motor. I guess that's why it's cheaper. So if you can see here, you'll see the spark when you are using a brush motor. Let me turn it on. See that? Basically, you don't want to use this near any explosive or gas lines. So that's the limit on that thing. Okay, what else comes with it is it comes with 8 blades. So you have a 24mm stainless steel blade. This is the general blade that comes with. So you have two wood blades, 10 TPI, 6 TPI, and you have two 6 TPI that is about this is about 9-inch blades. So And then you have a flexible metal blade. It's right here. 1 and 2. So they are the same size for the metal blade. You should be able to buy a blade for this thing. You don't need to have the Mereced brand, so because this is just standard connections. So let me go ahead and install one of the wood blade, and let's give it a try. To install the blade, if you look over here, you don't have to screw it. You just loosen this up and put the blade in. So let's do that right now. So I'm gonna go loosen this thing, just turn it like this, and I'll put the blade right over here. Okay, and let it go. So now the blade's not gonna go anywhere, so it's all secure. So let me go. So sounds pretty powerful. Let's go out and let me go cut the woods. Okay, so this is a 2x3. Let me go change the blade and try the other one. Okay, so let me try the other blade. This is a 6 TPI. This one have a bigger teeth. Takes a while, but it's good. Okay, so let me go try a metal. Okay, so this time we're gonna try to cut a metal pipe. So I'm using one of the blade that comes with it, the metal 18 TPI metal. So let's go ahead and do it. There you go. Okay, so next I'm gonna try to use their general blade, just cutting a PVC pipe. It's too long for this, but well, it's just a test. So that's it. So let me try using the general blade to cut this 1x2 wood. I'm gonna angle this a little because I wanted to use this as a stake, so I want to have a pointed side on one side. So let me do it. See if it's possible. There we go. Okay, so this is the 2x3. I'm gonna be using the general blade that they have. So it looks like this one cuts faster. So let's see. So it looks like I'm gonna be using the general blade a lot more because it cuts wood a lot faster. Okay, so to remove the blade, you just twist this and pull it out. To install it, just push it back in and let it go. Okay. So this is actually my first reciprocal saw, and this is the first cordless device I have. I don't really like buying cordless because when I work on stuff, I usually just go in anytime. I don't really prepare for it, and you know, if I don't have a battery charge, then I won't be able to do anything. So this one is lithium ion, so it should be able to hold the charge even on storage. It seems powerful enough for what I need. It's a lot faster than just using a manual saw, and also it's a lot safer compared to having a circular saw. So I know they have different uses, but just for regular cutting needs, you're afraid of using circular saw, this is another option that you can have. I hope this video helped you in making your decision if this brand is good for you. Please make sure to click the like and subscribe button to help my channel.